Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is DEERC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be looking at the DEERC Tachyon. It's a 1/10 scale brushless motor RC truck. It has a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter and a receiver built in, the ESC. Here's the remote. Got your steering trim and your speed switch. We'll put it all the way down on low to start with. So let's go ahead and turn it on. You can actually reach in under the body here. And I don't know if you can see that, but that button's right there. Got it. Get some headlights flashing. You know you turned on. Turn on the transmitter. And we're locked in. Okay, let's give it a shot. I got a little ramp set up over there. Step over here so you can see it. You see that there? Got a ramp on both sides. Let's see what I can do. Just gonna take a lap on slow speed first. Alright, that's full throttle. Looks like I picked up a stick. That's full throttle on the slow speed. I don't like that. That's too slow. But if you need it slow, you can set it slow. Let's go up about halfway. See what that's about. Somewhere in there, close to half. Oh yeah, that's getting better. How about that? Better not do that too much. Tear up the driveway. Awesome. Okay, let's go full speed. Oh my. Whoop, there went the windshield. Just kidding. Wow. It's zippy. Wow, that is fast, folks. Look at that thing. Rooster tail leaves. Oh no, I flipped it. I got into some deep leaves and some deep trouble. Yeehaw. That's a tall ramp. I don't know, that may be too much for this little thing. A little bit slow. Nice. Very cool. That was too slow, wasn't it? I'll get another one coming back this way. Oh no! I missed it. Well, let's try that again. Get on a better angle so I can see what I'm doing. Alright, I think we can get it this time. Whoops, I lied. I should have let off the throttle or did something different, I'm sure. I'll figure it out. Nice. How about that? For some live action. Nice. Thing jumps really well. I gotta fix the other side of the ramp so we can try it again. Let me fix the ramp. I gotta get this made up better. It's a work in progress. I'm gonna have a starting ramp and an ending ramp. Or a landing ramp, finishing ramp, whatever you call them. Somebody help me out in the comments. Tell me what it means. Is it a start and finishing ramp or a takeoff and landing ramp? I don't know. Oh boy. Well, I gotta get this ramp centered. Keep hitting it off to the side. Man, you punch it, that thing goes. Got let off of it pretty quick. Oh, good flip. Getting it filled with leaves. There we go, filled up with some more. Let me see if I can hit this stinking ramp. There we go. Wish it would have been a good landing, but at least I hit it. There we go. That's taking the abuse, folks. Oh, I could have hit the ramp there if I was paying attention. Woo! Oh. Oh no. Get my exercise with these. Which is good. Good for us to get exercise. Get off that computer for a while. Walk around chasing RC trucks. Good for you. Not sure. I think 20 minutes is what they claim on the battery. drive time. I haven't been paying attention, so I don't know how long it's been. We'll know when I put the video out though. Oh. Yay. A bunch of leaves flying up everywhere. Yeah. Got a little piece of it. Oh yeah. Oh, that was cool. Would have been cooler if it landed on its wheels. So, man, this is a tough truck, guys. Got to check them out. If you like what you see, go over to Amazon.com. We can get you one right there. Quick, fast, and a hurry shipping. You having fun like me right now? It's a budget-friendly item. 100. I don't know. Depends on what coupons you can get. You probably get it for close to $100. You never know. 130, 150, under 200. Whee! Oh, it's a good place to stop it right there, guys. That's the DEERC. I believe it's the 210E, or it's the Tekion high-speed car. They say it looks like a truck to me, but it is reinforced. Got metal dog bones, metal differential, strong steering gear. Got the two headlights there in the front, easy to pull out pins. I like it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.